Hello dear Leo, welcome to my channel and this is your weekly reading for the 4th week of July, Career plus Love. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. Let's see how this week is going to be for you. In your career, you've got the Prophetess card and the 10 of Sons. I have a feeling that you yourself can be a tarot reader or a spiritual being, somebody who has a very strong intuition, somebody who believes a lot in destiny or astrology, numerology yourself. You are sensing something this week, especially with regards to your career. You can sense that there are people who are playing politics with you. If that is so, you're absolutely right. Not just one person, but I see many people. Individually or collectively playing politics against you in your business, or if you have a job there, or in your school or college as well. There is somebody who's trying to bring you down, probably snatch your position, your clients, customers, or just give a bad name to you and your reputation. I do see some sort of cruelty or injustice happening to you. The message that is coming for you is that do not trust anyone, stand your ground. No matter who is standing with you or against you, you have to be strong. If you trust yourself, if you believe that you have not done anything wrong, you have to be strong. You cannot give up, you cannot give in to these people. Just because there are 10 people against you or 100 people against you doesn't mean that you're wrong, right? So if your intuition tells you, if your conscience tells you that you haven't done anything wrong, please stand your ground. Okay, even if you're strong enough, even if you're the only one standing besides you or with you will still win the case. Okay, especially if there is a case going on, especially if there is a politics going on. If you stay strong, I do see you getting successful. I do see you getting out of this miserable situation that you are in. And yes, please consider this as a warning. Do not trust anyone in your business circle, at least not this week. Okay, and if this has already happened, you know intuitively who these people are. Please maintain a distance from them and be strong. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You've got the Nine of Stars and the Fortitude. You could be dealing with a Gemini or Cancer Sun Moon Rising, or you could have a Gemini or Cancer Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart. Now, what I see is that you have dealt with a painful situation where somebody abandoned you, left you, or broke your trust in some way. You are hurt. You're carrying this pain. There are two situations that you're waiting for: whether to go for a patch up with this person or whether to move on. Well, whatever you're thinking right now, the cards are asking you to go forward. Go forward as if you just cannot lose at any cost. So if you're really looking for a patch up, please go forward. Show some courage, show some strength, and drop your ego. Because sometimes our ego blocks our own reunion, our own relationships, right? Because we think we are too proud, and sometimes our own guilt or fear that I don't think this person is ever going to forgive me. If you have all those things in your mind, please set them aside and go forward. Ask for forgiveness. Try to make a patch up. If you think there is somebody around you who can help you, because you're also being advised to ask for help. If you think that a friend or family can help you do the patch up between the two of you and smoothen things up, then please ask for help. Do not be ashamed. Do not be egoistical in asking for help this week. Help will come to you from someone. I also see that if you are in a very painful situation and you really want to move on and find a partner but you don't know how, then please go and ask for help. Your parents can help you find the right partner, your friends can help you, even the matrimonial or dating apps can help you the right partner as well. So this is a time when you don't have to be alone to do something. I'm talking about your personal life. You can ask for help and help will come to you. So a very different situation in your love life and your career, I see. But yes, you have to be strong either ways. You are asked to show strength, you're asked to show courage, and you have to never give up this week. So this is your motto. Please follow this through so that this week is easy for you. I know it can be challenging in your uh, professional life, especially. And yes, even in your love life, it's difficult to sometimes make that decision whether we need to hold on to someone or whether we need to move on, right? whether we need to carry on this hurt, wait for the other person to come and apologize. Maybe that never happens. So if you really think that this relationship or marriage or situationship is important to you, go ahead. Or even friendship or family relationship as well. So take what resonates with you. And if it did resonate with you, please do like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any specific questions in your mind regarding your own life, you can always book a personal reading with me. I do have audio video call sessions available with me. I do have packages available with me if you have multiple questions. I also have very easy and very budgeted rituals with me. And I also take spiritual counseling sessions who need such spiritual guidance with the help of your angels. I will be giving you a remedy there as well. Even my love packages, my all the packages that are available, career, friendship, and singles packages have a free remedy which will help you remove blockages from your life. Okay, so to book any reading, check out the description box, know what service you want. To ask the prices, you can email me or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle. Also for the booking, email or DM. And yes, please follow me on Instagram, guys. That's a new channel. This is a new channel, so please subscribe. I keep on posting the prices also on my stories on a daily basis, so you will be staying updated. You might not have to specially email or DM me to know the prices. You will know the prices if you're following me on Instagram. So please do that. Take care of yourself and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.